졸업을 앞둔 애나 감기에 걸린 룸메이트를 대신해 인터뷰를 하러 갑니다.
And you have all the questions? Yes. Are you wearing that? More eating.
애나는 첫 인터뷰라 엄청 긴장을 하고 있었죠. 직원의 안내를 받으며 인터뷰를 하러 가는 그때
Miss Calvin.
훤칠한 한 남자가 눈에 보입니다.
Christian Grey.
I'm Anastasia Steele. Miss Kavanaugh has the flu, so she asked me to.
Please, have a seat, Miss Steele.
그녀는 준비해온 질문을 하고
Whenever you are.
You are very young to have amassed such an
Do I
empire.
owe my success? The key to my success has been in identifying talented individuals and harnessing their efforts.
So you're a control freak?
Mr. Gray, your next meeting is in the conference room.
Counsel, please. We're not finished here.
그녀가 마음에 들었는지 회의를 취소하고 애나에 대해 더 알고 싶다는 그레이. 둘은 서로의 이름을 부르며 엘리베이터의 문이 서서히 닫힙니다. 마치 두 사람 마음의 여운을 보여주듯이 말이죠. 집으로 돌아온 애나에게 룸메이트는 그레이에 대해 물어봅니다.
What was he like? He was courteous, clean,
애나는 그새 그레이에게 푹 빠진 걸까요?
intense. I can understand the fascination. Why are you looking at me like that? Mom, I'm at work. Can I call you back?
Bob broke his foot playing golf.
애나는 철물점에서 알바를 하고 있는데요. 누군가 철물점으로 애나를 찾아오고
Could you give me a handout back?
Yeah, I'll be right there.
애나가 일하는 곳으로 찾아온 그레이.
Needed to pick up a few things.
What can I help you with?
Do you stock cable ties? Masking tape.
We have 2-inch and you want anything else?
Rope.
Rope, tape, cable ties. You're the complete serial killer.
Not today.
Thank you for answering Kate's questions, by the way. She's just having a hard time clearing a photo of you.
She'd like an original. I'm around tomorrow. I'm staying locally at the Heathman.
그레이는 인터뷰용 사진이 필요한 친구를 위해 시간을 내주겠다고 하죠. 그렇게 다음날 사진 촬영을 하게 되는데
You with a smile.
호불호가 명확한 이 남자.
Or not.
You do realize that he hasn't stopped looking at you.
바로 남자친구 유무 확인 들어가고 커피 한 잔을 마시며 때 아닌 호구조사까지 들어가 주시는 아저씨 감성.
When I was a baby, so I was raised by my stepfather. He's amazing.
And your mother?
On husband number 4, she's an incurable romantic.
You?
So I kind of have to be.
사랑에 목숨을 건다는 여자의 말에 바로 자리를 일어나 버리는 상남자.
I don't do the girlfriend thing.
What is that?
Watch it!
그리고 당겨주는 마초미까지. 자기와는 안 맞는다고 해놓고 이글이글거리는 눈으로 감정 표현해주는 이 남자. 오늘은 클럽에 즐거운 시간을 갖다가 그만 꽐라가 돼버립니다. 마침 술 기운에 이글이글 두 눈의 매력에 이끌려 그레이에게 연락을 해보죠.
Anastasia.
Yeah, this is me.
Anastasia, have you been drinking?
Yeah.
I have, Mr. Fancy Pants. You're so bossy.
Let's go for coffee. Anna, no. Stay away from me, Anna.
That's it. Tell me where you are.
I'm a long way from Seattle.
Which bar? What's it called?
그레이 또한 애나가 걱정이 됐는지 데리러 온다고 하는데요.
I'm sorry, I didn't.
I'm coming to get you.
술 처드시고 용기가 생긴 남자 사람 친구 호세가 뜬금없는 고백을 해오고
I'm sorry, no.
Dude, she said no.
이를 본 그레이.
Let's get you home. Come.
다음날 잠에서 깬 애나는 정신을 차려보는데 혹시 술김에 같이 잠이라도 잤는지 궁금해지고
Good morning, Anastasia.
Better than I deserve. Where did you sleep? Oh my God. Did we didn't.
Necrophilia is not my thing. You shouldn't get drunk like that. You put yourself at risk last night.
Or no.
갑자기 우통을 훌훌 벗어버리는 이 남자.
You wouldn't understand.
Enlighten me then.
What are you doing later?
I'm working at the hardware store till 7.
I'll have Taylor pick you up then. I'm not gonna touch you. Not until I have your written consent.
What?
I'll explain later.
일단 철물점 알바를 마친 애나는 그레이가 보내준 최고급 차를 타고 퇴근을 합니다. 다시 아침에 얘기한 계약서를 꺼내는 남자.
It's a non-disclosure agreement. It means that you cannot discuss anything about us with anyone.
I'd never talk to anyone about us anyway.
Two things. First, I don't make love. I fuck.
And the second thing.
그리고 애나를 데리고 어디론가 가는 남자.
My playroom. It's important that you know you can leave at any time.
Why? What's in there?
엄청 뜸을 들이는데
Oh my god.
본인을 도미넌트, 즉 지배하는 사람이라고 소개하는 남자.
What does that mean?
It means I want you to willingly surrender yourself to me.
What would I get out of this?
Me. If we were to do this, this would be your room. You can decorate it however you like.
You want me to move in?
Not full time, just Friday through to Sunday. We can negotiate the particulars.
So I'd sleep in here with you?
I'd be downstairs. I told you I don't sleep with anyone.
When you said negotiate, what did you mean?
I already have a contract prepared. It's fairly detailed. Well, when you've had sex, was there anything that you didn't like doing? We have to be honest with each other for this to work.
I wouldn't know because I haven't.
You're still a virgin?
예나는 아직 경험이 없었는데요. 그레이는 그에게 그만 눈이 돌아버리죠. 그렇게 둘은 뜨밤을 보내고 맙니다.
You're energetic this morning.
뜨밤 이후 사이가 좋아진 이 둘. 그러나 좋은 시간도 잠시 그레이 엄마가 예고도 없이 찾아왔죠.
And I thought perhaps we could have lunch.
I can't today. I have to drive Anna.
And I'm having the whole family for dinner next week at my house. You must come.
What is it, Anna?
I'm not exactly jumping at the opportunity to get whipped and tortured in your red room of pain. Would we still go out to dinner and movies and...
애나는 그저 평범한 데이트를 원하지만 남자를 사랑하면서도 취향 맞추기가 어려워하는 애나.
Which one's yours?
All of them. Let's go for a walk.
How did you start doing this?
One of my mother's friends. I was her submissive for 6 years.
그레이는 자기가 이런 성향이 되게 된 이유를 애나에게 이야기하죠.
We're friends. This is the contract.
헤어지기 전 계약서를 건네는 그레이.
I really hope you say yes.
Thanks for the ride.
Later's baby. The following are the terms of a binding contract between the dominant and the submissive.
애나는 계약서를 자세히 읽어봅니다.
And her limits. The submissive will obey any instruction given by the dominant. She will do so eagerly and without hesitation. The safe word yellow will be used to bring to the attention of the dominant that the submissive is close to her limit. When the safe word red is spoken, the dominant's action will cease completely. That's a submissive consent to being gagged. How much pain is the submissive willing to experience?
Was nice knowing you.
애나의 집에 예고도 없이 깜짝 방문한 그레이.
Knowing me, has it? Let me remind you how nice it was.
그레이는 그런 그녀에게 맛보기를 살짝 보여줍니다. 애나는 본격적으로 계약서에 대해 논의해 보려는 것 같은데요.
Well, that's a hell of a sack, Miss Steele.
드레스를 입고 협상 테이블에 앉은 그녀. 지배자와 복종자 간의 협상이 시작되는데
Your meeting.
Turn to page 5. Strike it out.
You sure?
Yeah. Same page. Is the use of sex toys acceptable to the submissive? Is bondage acceptable to the submissive? I'm good with rope.
Can I just say how impressed I am with your commitment to this meeting?
I'll review all these changes and
최종 결정은 나중으로 미루며 협상은 그렇게 끝이 납니다.
And he's also a major benefactor to our university. Please join me in welcoming.
애나의 대학 졸업식 날인데요. 그레이는 후원자 자격으로 졸업식 연설대에 오르게 되죠. 그런 그레이를 바라보는 애나의 시선. 연설이 끝나고 애나와 마주치게 되는데 그레이의 관심사항은 계약에 대한 최종 결정뿐이었죠.
still thinking.
Anastasia, just try it my way.
Okay.
What?
애나는 졸업식이 끝나고 오랜만에 엄마를 만나기로 합니다.
You go ahead. I'm not very hungry.
그런데 그레이는 여기까지 찾아왔군요.
Mom. It's Christian. He's here.
Here?
What are you doing here, Christian?
I came to see you.
Step outside.
broke Rule 7, Clause 5.
Let's not talk about the contract right now. What are you doing for breakfast tomorrow?
다음날 그레이는 애나를 위한 이벤트를 준비합니다. 바로 돈자랑 데이트였는데요. 애나는 황홀한 경험을 하죠.
Release. This more?
Oh my god, so much more!
You said you didn't do romance.
I don't. Anna.
What?
갑자기 급한 일이 생겼다며 시애틀로 떠나는 그레이.
I have to go back to Seattle. Come, I'll take you home. Well, then tell them that they don't have 24 hours.
애나는 그레이가 바빠 보여서 그냥 가려고 하는데 그런 애나를 붙잡는 그레이.
No, that's the last thing I want. I want you to be in the playroom in 15 minutes.
애나와 그레이 지배자와 복종자 간 첫 플레이가 시작됩니다.
Remember this.
둘의 관계가 끝나고 나서 애나는 복잡한 감정을 숨길 수가 없었죠.
Why do you want to punish me?
If I told you, you'd never look at me the same way again.
So there is a reason. Tell me. Do you want to punish me right now?
Yes, I want to punish you right now.
Why?
Because it's the way I am!
애나는 남자를 이해하기 위해 그의 진짜 모습을 보여달라고 하죠.
Fucked up.
Show me then. I need you to show me. Show me how bad it can be. I want you to show me the worst. It's the only way I can understand.
Are you sure about this?
Yes.
애나는 꽤나 충격을 받은 모양입니다.
Please don't hate me.
I'm not what you want.
No, you're everything that I want.
I've fallen in love with you.
No, Anna, you can't love me.
I need you to leave.
Anastasia Steele?
이제 대학생에서 사회인이 된 아나.
So how's the new job?
Have you heard from Christian?
He sent me flowers.
Are you ever going to tell me what happened between you?
아나는 왠지 씁쓸해 보이는데요. 출근 도장 찍기 무섭게 상사보다 더 일찍 퇴근을 하는 우리의 아나.
A friend of mine has a photography.
최근 칼퇴하는 아나에게 욕을 하려다 그녀의 뒤태에 욕이 쏙 들어가 버립니다. 아나는 퇴근 후 친구의 사진전에 왔는데 자기의 사진이 전시되어 있는 걸 보고 깜짝 놀랍니다.
You made it.
So much of my face in here.
It's my best stuff. Somebody likes them. They just bought all 6. Dinner's on me tonight, okay?
그레이가 아나의 사진을 모두 사버리고 마는데 그레이는 아직도 아나를 그리워하고 있습니다.
It was you, wasn't it? You just went and bought all of these.
I don't like strangers gawking at you.
Why are you here?
For you. Hey, can we talk somewhere private? Have dinner with me.
We are only talking, and that is it.
Would you like some more time?
2 steaks, medium fries.
이렇게 이 둘은 함께 저녁을 먹고 아나에게 다시 돌아달라고 하는 그레이.
I want you back. I'd like to renegotiate terms.
But I don't see how. The things you want, you said that's the way you are. That's still in you.
I'm working on it.
You're open to new terms.
No rules? No punishments?
No more secrets.
그레이는 자신이 원하는 것을 하지 않겠다는 제안으로 다시 아나의 마음을 얻을 수 있었습니다.
Tell you tomorrow.
아나가 창문을 닫으려는 그때 그녀를 지켜보고 있던 여자. 다음날 직장에서도 아나를 지켜보고 있었죠.
Anastasia. I'm sorry, have we met before? I'm nobody.
Hey. Lawrence, this way.
Your comments on Boyce Fox were interesting.
Yeah, well, I think the parallels with Dante's Inferno are...
상사에게 끌려 한잔 하려는데 곧바로 그레이가 나타납니다.
I'm the boyfriend.
I'm the boss. What do you have, Chris?
Another time.
상사 앞에서 여자친구를 채가는 이 남자. 그레이는 아나의 직장에 대해 물어보는데
How's it going?
Jack seems genuinely interested in my opinion.
Is the firm well managed? Are people happy?
Oh my god.
What?
You're buying SIP? No, you can't do that. That's my job.
I've wanted to move into publishing.
But you're gonna be my boss.
Technically, I'll be your boss's boss's boss. You know that's off limits.
I'm gonna need a roadmap.
어릴 적 트라우마로 인해 가슴 쪽은 못 만지게 하는 그레이.
What do you want, Anastasia?
I want you.
트라우마 운운하더니 결국 그들은 정신없이 뜨밤을 보내고 맙니다.
Thank you.
My parents are hosting a charity ball.
그레이는 오늘 밤 자선무도회 가자고 제안을 하는데 수상한 여자가 또 아나를 보고 있었죠.
What is it?
There was just a girl over there, and she was outside my office, and she knew my name.
그레이는 이 여자가 누군지 아는 듯 보이는데요.
What does that mean?
I don't want you to worry about it. Trust me.
머리를 만지기 위해 방문한 헤어샵. 표정이 그만 안 좋아진 아나. 바로 이 여자 때문인데요.
Is that Mrs. Robinson? I don't care what your name is, Christian. Why would you take me there? Why would you take me to meet the woman who seduced and abused you?
Our relationship ended years ago. We're just friends and business partners.
Business partners? Are you kidding me? Would you take your subs there?
No, it's
That girl that I saw this morning was one of them, wasn't she?
explain when we're there. Come on.
그레이는 수상한 여자에 대해 알려줍니다.
She was my sub for a while, about 2 years ago. She wanted more. I didn't, so I ended it. She left, got married, thought she moved on, but then her husband died in a car crash. She had a breakdown.
Is there one on me? Let me see it.
그곳엔 아나의 파일도 있었죠.
Subject works part-time at Clayton's Hardware, Richmond Road. They didn't time my bathroom breaks.
Drawn up in any perspective submit. No, I had no idea what this was going to become. I didn't know you'd be different.
Why you brought me to Mrs. Robinson's, where you brought all the other women because I'm so different?
That was wrong, I admit.
I'm trying to understand you. Just wanting to get close to you. But it's really difficult to do that when you keep doing bizarre things like this. And it's really difficult to do that when you won't let me touch you.
Come to my bedroom. You wanted a roadmap?
아나를 진정시키기 위해 그레이는 자신의 몸 중 터치가 가능한 것을 설명해주고
Those are my boundaries.
I can live with that.
비밀을 공유하며 둘의 사이는 더 가까워지게 됩니다.
A turn. Bend over. Stay still.
자선무도에 입고 갈 옷을 입어보는 아나.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our annual ball.
Everything okay?
Getting off my speaking duty.
Now you know what those silver.
무도회에 온 아나와 그레이. 또다시 뜨거운 시간을 보내죠.
I want you to spank me.
It's too much. You have to tell me to stop. Understood?
Yes.
계단을 내려오는데 한 남자가 사진을 찍고 있습니다. 뭔가 수상한데요. 어릴 적 그레이를 학대했던 여자가 아나에게 말을 걸어오는데 아나는 기분이 상해버리죠.
I know what you did to Christian.
All I did was lead him to the truth of who he really is. Without me, he'd be in jail or dead.
I'm not with.
If you really want to make him happy, if you want to be happy, you let him go.
There's no way that someone like you could ever understand what we have.
Nothing lasts.
Whatever happens between me and Christian is none of your goddamn business.
Hey, we should think about going soon.
I want to go now.
Stay here.
집에 도착했는데 또 무슨 일이 벌어진 것 같습니다. 집을 비운 사이 누군가 아나의 차를 엉망으로 만들어 놨는데요.
That's my car. What happened to my car? Where are we going?
Do you think it was Leela?
불안을 느낀 아나를 위해 그레이는 그녀를 개인 보트로 데려갑니다.
Good morning.
This boat is really beautiful.
Hey, did you book our rooms for New York yet? New York, Book Expo. It's Friday.
No, yeah, I know. Yeah, I booked your room, of course.
It's expected that my assistant also attends.
I didn't know that. I'm sorry.
Unless you'd rather stay back with your boyfriend.
상사 잭은 자신의 뉴욕 출장에 아나도 데려가려고 하고 이 소식을 들은 그레이는 또다시 질투심이 생기죠. 아나는 출장에 대해 얘기하기 위해 그레이의 집에 왔는데 그레이를 찾다 그의 놀이방에 들어가게 됩니다. 이것저것 흥미롭게 보는 그녀.
See anything you like? It's even more intense when you take them off.
What's this?
Let's learn to walk before we run.
I kind of like running.
이제 놀이에 대해 흥미를 보이는 그녀에게 그레이는 맛보기 실습을 보여주기로 하죠.
You're mine.
I'm yours.
이제야 출장에 대해 얘기를 하는데 역시나 그녀와 상사가 같이 가는 출장이 불편하기만 합니다.
If you really want to go, I can't stop you. But I'd like to take you there myself.
Okay. Of course, I would rather see New York with you.
Good.
퇴근을 하려는 아나를 붙잡은 잭.
I was actually just about to come talk to you. With such short notice, I made plans that I can't change.
But I don't want to waste my time training someone who doesn't take this position serious.
I do.
Going to New York and the book expo be part of that dream?
It is.
I don't want to brag, but I'm a pretty great teacher. Has a reputation for being a little ruthless. Is that what you like? If you're gonna fuck your way to prominence, you should do it with someone who can at least make
아나의 몸에 손을 대려고 하자 오 알까기하고 도망치는 아나. 다행히 건물 밖에서 그레이가 기다리고 있었습니다.
It's okay. Hey.
그레이는 속전속결로 상사 잭을 해고시켜버리죠.
Well, at least that's dealt with. Hides out. He's been fired. You'll never have to see him again.
다음 날 갑자기 해고된 잭을 대신해 회의에 참석하게 된 아나.
So, Anna, what do you think we should be public?
Newer voices. Voice Fox, for example, got 80,000 hits last week. I mean, I can show you the stats. I think he's worth taking a risk on.
아나는 회의에서 자신의 능력을 보여줍니다. 좋은 평가를 받은 아나는 임시로 잭의 자리를 맡게 되죠. 아나의 승진 자축 파티가 열리고
Maybe we could take this celebration home.
Take off your panties.
Right in here?
Yeah, right here. Now.
지금 파티 맞는 거죠? 오늘은 소원 들어주기에 내기 당구.
Maybe we should make a bet. If I win, you take me to the red room.
And if I win?
Your choice.
Just give it under my spell. How you scream and shout.
야야 당구 치라고. 집으로 돌아온 아나에게 쎄한 느낌이 들었죠.
Leela, Christian is downstairs. I came to see you. He lets you call him by his name. He cares about you. Don't lie. Why don't you put the gun down? You don't.
총소리를 듣고 올라온 그레이.
No, Christian.
Neil.
그레이는 레일라를 강아지처럼 복종시키는데 이 모습을 본 아나는 충격에 빠져버립니다.
Anna, go to Escala. Wait for me there. For once, just do what you're told.
아나는 지금 이 상황이 혼란스럽기만 하죠.
She's been gone for 3 hours and she doesn't have her cell. Forget it, she's here. Where the fuck have you been? Looking for you.
I'm sorry I don't always do as I'm told. Maybe you just really need someone who obeys every command. And I saw the way you were with Leela.
I would have done anything to subdue her.
Where is she now?
She's in the psych ward getting the help that she needs. Look, I know she scared you.
Yeah, but you scared me more.
아나가 다시 떠날까봐 그레이는 무릎을 꿇고
What are you doing? I'm scared.
But I'm done with it. You mean more to me than anything else.
트라우마로 터치가 안 됐던 곳까지 무장 해제를 해버립니다. 어느 날 그레이의 여동생에게서 그의 생일이 곧 다가온다는 걸 알게 되고 생일 선물을 미리 준비하기로 합니다.
Dad are throwing him a party. This is just family, friends, music, fireworks.
God, Mia, I gotta go.
Okay, but Sunday or I'll hunt you down myself.
Hey, when were you gonna tell me about your birthday?
Arrival into the world isn't something I feel like celebrating.
Well, I feel like celebrating it. Can't open it till the day, though.
Then why give it to me now?
Call it delayed gratification.
출장도 돈 많은 재벌답게 헬기로 이동을 하는 그레이. 그러나 이동하던 중 갑자기 발생한 헬기 사고 그대로 추락하고 맙니다. 그 시각 아나는 오랜만에 친구들을 만나고 있었습니다. 이때 그레이의 헬기 추락 소식을 듣게 됩니다.
Christian's chopper went missing on the way back from Portland. They're sending out search parties right now.
Head of Gray Enterprises Holdings.
He's gonna be fine. He has to be okay.
We are so glad that you're here with us and in Christian's life.
And his colleague Roz Bailey have been found this moment on their way back to Seattle.
다행히 그레이는 아무 일 없다는 듯 건강한 모습으로 모두에게 돌아옵니다.
Okay.
Miss me?
I was so scared.
I'm here.
It's after midnight. It's your birthday.
Yeah.
Do you still have that gift I gave you?
생일 선물을 열어보는데 그에게 청혼에 대한 대답을 선물해주는 그녀.
Does this mean yes, yes?
Yes, yes, yes.
Anastasia Steele, deal with you.
그레이의 생일 파티가 열리고 아나와의 결혼을 공식적으로 발표하게 되죠.
Gentlemen, Mia, I want to thank you all for coming here this evening. But I'm happy that you're all here because I have an announcement. Anna, come up here a second, please. Very quickly, I realized that she was the one I wanted to share my life with. So I asked her to marry me. And she said yes.
이 소식에 불편한 사람도 있었는데요. 바로 엘레나였습니다. 엘레나는 결혼 소식에 질투심을 보이고 말았죠.
Why are you even here, Elena?
She's not right for you.
Anna taught me how to love.
She's just the next one in line.
Leave my children alone and get the hell out of my house.
Is your mom okay?
Furious. Elena's gone.
Like gone?
I'm done. The business, everything. I'll have my people sort out the details tomorrow. Come with me. There's something I need.
그레이는 아나에게 보여줄 게 있다고 따라오라고 하는데요.
Oh my god.
You want to touch the flowers?
Oh my god.
그녀가 좋아하는 하트와 꽃을 기억하고 있었습니다.
This is amazing.
Marry me.
I'll marry you.
그녀를 위해서라면 하늘의 폭죽을 터뜨리는 비싼 예산도 성냥불 태우듯 써버리고 이때 전 직장 상사 잭은 이 모습을 지켜보며 사진을 불태우고 있었습니다. 과연 무슨 일이 벌어지는 걸까요? 그레이와 아나가 신혼여행 간 사이 누군가 그레이의 회사로 침입해 음모를 꾸미는데요. 이를 알 리 없는 그레이와 아나는 즐거운 시간을 보내고 있었죠. 신혼의 달달한 시간을 보낸 이른 아침, 회사에서 급한 연락이 옵니다. 범인은 아나의 직장 상사였던 잭. 아나를 성추행하다 해고되고 그 일로 원한을 가지고 있었죠.
Why would Jack do that? It's insane.
신혼여행을 마치고 집으로 돌아온 그레이와 아나. 그레이는 아나에게 개인 경호원과 운전기사 그리고 집사까지 붙여줍니다. 출근과 동시에 퇴근을 즐기는 그녀, 그리고 그녀를 데리러 온 그레이. 아나가 지나가면서 이쁘다고 한 집을 그레이는 그걸 기억하고 신혼집으로 사버렸는데요. 인테리어를 맡아줄 건축가 지아입니다. 그레이를 사이에 두고 보이지 않는 신경전이 펼쳐지고
Let me show you what I have in mind. Infinity pool will really make that view.
Excuse me.
It is Gia, right?
Anna.
You may call me Mrs. Gray. I suggest you stop making eyes at my husband and keep your hands to yourself. Or you can go and climb back into your shit car.
아나가 KO승을 거둡니다.
It won't happen again.
I'm paying for extra security, and you're scarier than any of them. You could handle her. You can handle this.
Easy, Anna.
Hey, Taylor.
집에 돌아가는 길에 수상한 차량 한 대가 그들을 미행하고 있었죠.
Seriously. You can make it. Don't slow down. Head south. Get us there.
짜릿한 운전 실력으로 미행차를 따돌립니다.
Can you make out the driver?
No, not yet.
Go.
Flash your lights.
It's a dick move.
Okay.
흥분이 가시지 않은 아나. 둘은 그대로 뜨거운 시간을 갖습니다.
Got this from the Highway Patrol.
아나를 혼자 두는 게 걱정이 된 그레이는 아나를 뉴욕 출장에 데려가려 하지만 아나의 고집에 결국 그레이는 혼자 출장을 가기로 합니다.
You know I can't go to New York. I have meetings.
I just want you to be safe.
I will be safe. I have Sawyer and Prescott. I'll be fine.
Close to Sawyer and Prescott. Come straight home after work.
해군 후 절친 케이트의 연락에 남편 몰래 술집으로 향하는 아나.
Sawyer, can we go to the bunker club, please?
Mr. Gray said to take you straight home.
Mr. Gray's not here. I am.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, can we get 2 more martinis?
I can't. Really. I promised Christian to go home.
Come on, look at you. You're so
What?
married.
I know.
It suits you.
한 잔 거하게 마시고 집에 돌아온 그녀를 기다리던 손님이 있었으니 바로 전 직장 상사 잭이었죠. 그는 아나를 납치하려 하는데
Let her go.
갑자기 어설픈 격투신과 함께 잭은 바로 제압되고 경찰에 넘겨집니다.
Hands on your head or I'll fire.
Sir, we recovered this from an elevator maintenance vehicle parked in the lower garage. Stolen plates.
This mean anything to you, Mrs. Gray?
You owe me a life. No, nothing.
Don't worry about Hyde. We've got enough to hold him. He won't be going anywhere.
출장에서 돌아온 크레이는 그녀에게 몹시 화가 나 있었죠. 그는 화가 날수록 그녀에게 거칠게 플레이를 즐깁니다.
What you know is true.
This is how you make me feel.
아나의 사무실에 형사가 찾아왔는데 잭이 보석으로 풀려날 수 있다고 알려줍니다.
And you made up this whole sexual assault story to get him fired.
No, that is complete bullshit. Jack attacked me.
I believe Hyde is a lying piece of shit who'll say anything to get bail.
Wait, Jack is applying for bail?
Noon today, Municipal Courthouse.
Does your client deny forcing entry into this penthouse?
And merely wanted to confront the parties responsible for destroying his career.
I think he wanted to do more than confront them, counselor. These are not the actions of an innocent man seeking redress. Given his clean record, the court will grant bail.
결국 잭은 보석으로 풀려나게 됐죠. 그러던 중 아나는 다니던 병원에 연락을 받게 되는데 생각지도 못한 임신 소식을 듣게 됩니다.
It seems you're pregnant, Mrs. Gray. There. It's heartbeat. I'd say it's 6, 7 weeks.
Apparently Hyde is trying to say that I came on to him.
Anna, no one will believe him. And the other assistants, they'll tell the detectives he
I'm
did the
pregnant.
same.
6 or 7 weeks. No, it's not good timing.
I have plans for us. I wanted to give you the world. Do you really think that I'm ready to be a father?
No.
임신 소식을 들은 그레이는 엄청 화를 내고 집을 나가 버리는데 그가 찾은 곳은 자신을 학대했던 엘레나의 미용실이었죠. 술고래가 돼서야 들어온 그레이.
You look mighty fine, Mrs. Gray.
Wow, you look mighty drunk.
You're so beautiful.
Oh yeah? Both of me?
아나는 우연히 그의 핸드폰을 보게 되고 엘레나를 찾아간 사실을 알게 됩니다. 이에 화가 난 아나는 놀이방에서 혼자 밤을 보내고 말죠.
Anastasia? Go through the apartment, check every room.
Take a look at the CCTV.
Sawyer, we're leaving for work in 20.
그레이를 무시해버리는 아나. 한편 그레이 여동생 미아에게 전화가 옵니다. 전화기는 미아를 납치한 잭의 목소리였죠. 잭은 동생의 몸값을 요구하는데요.
Get me $5 million by 1 p.m.
Jack, please. Oh my God.
급히 집으로 온 아나는 수표를 챙겨나가고
Yes, Mrs. Gray.
경원까지 따돌리고 급히 은행으로 향합니다.
Mrs. Gray.
I don't have time. I need the money immediately.
Mrs. Gray, it's your husband.
What's going on? What are you doing?
Tell me what's wrong.
I can't.
What's happening? This doesn't sound like you.
Put Willem back in the phone.
아나의 행동에 이상함을 느낀 그레이는 은행으로 이동을 하고 잭이 보석으로 풀려난 것과 여동생 미아가 실종된 소식을 듣게 됩니다.
Cutting it awfully close, Anna.
I have a problem.
I know.
How do you know that?
There's a blue Dodge parked in the alley with tinted windows.
I also need to borrow your phone.
잭의 심부름꾼은 다름 아닌 아나의 직장 동료 리즈였는데요. 아나는 기지를 발휘해 점장의 폰을 자신의 것으로 속여 리즈에게 넘깁니다.
Is he paying you?
Shut up.
Oh my god. Mia!
No.
They've stopped. The signal stopped. Carey Street North, 10 blocks.
Jack, please just let us go.
That's for Sid, you stuck-up little bitch. Thanks for fucking up my life.
You said you wouldn't kill her. You have the money. Leave her. Let's go.
Fuck the money. I don't give a shit about the money.
도착한 경찰에 의해 총상을 입은 잭은 그 자리에서 체포되고 의식을 잃은 아나는 병원으로 옮겨집니다.
Please stay back, Mr. Gray. Let us help your wife.
그레이는 이번 일을 계기로 아나와 뱃속에 있는 아이에 대한 소중함도 깨닫게 되죠.
I was just scared. I wanted your world to begin and end.
It does. Christian, it does. You're my whole life.
일상으로 돌아온 그레이와 아나. 잭에 대해 조사한 자료를 꺼내보는데
Look at his foster family.
사진이 낯설지 않은 그레이. 잭과 그레이는 어린 시절 같은 위탁 가정에서 자란 것이었죠.
What's going on?
That could be me. Maybe that should have been me.
You're a man of honor, and you treat people well. You care.
I love you.
Christian,
Yeah.
it seems that they've found where your birth mother is buried.
그리고 그레이는 자신을 버린 어머니를 용서하며 자신을 올감했던 굴레에서 벗어나게 됩니다. 미국에서 유부녀들의 마음을 사로잡아 대박을 터뜨린 영화 그레이의 50가지 그림자였는데요. 소설이 원작이었던 그레이의 50가지 그림자는 앞선 소설이 엄청난 대박을 터뜨리며 이 대박을 그냥 넘길 리 없었던 영화사들의 욕심으로 만들어진 영화입니다. 소설 마니아층에 의하면 영화가 너무 미흡해서 영화와 엄청 비교가 된다는 평들이 많았는데요. 그러나 영화는 보는 재미, 듣는 재미가 있지 않겠습니까? 이 영화는 넷플릭스와 왓챠, 웨이브에서 시청할 수 있습니다. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.